Hi, I'm just going to make a really quick screencast to share with you the features of watchtogether.com. So I'm already there, but you're going to type in watchtogether.com. When you do, it changes it to w2g.tv, and it's very easy to sign up. Make sure you just do a free account. I do free accounts for everything, and so I'm signing in. And since I already have my profile set up, of course it's free and basic. I'm not going to upgrade. I can edit my profile, and I just say, here I am. I created a username, and I do a training channel so that if I post anything, people have to go to my training channel to see it. But also with a free account, it disappears after 2 days. So that's a downside and an upside of both of it. So I'm going to go back, and I have created a temporary room. I will show you what it does, and then I will show you how to do it. So I go to my temporary room, and so it's making equivalent fractions. But some of the features here I see I'm the only person watching. I would want to invite people to watch this with me. And so it's very easy to copy the link, and then you would put that link in the chat, and students or teachers would click on that link, and as they signed in, you would see them signing in. So you see actually who is watching the video with you. Another feature is watchtogether.com also has its own chat. And so if I were teaching this to students, it'd say, okay, I'm looking equivalent fractions. Okay, so is this a most needed skill? You can stop it, ask a question, and students can respond right in the link. So how do you do this really cool thing? All right, so I'm going to go and say, how do I do this? I would like to make a new temporary room, and it always defaults to this video on Alexa. I would go get a YouTube, and I'd like a YouTube on parts of speech. All right, so YouTube on parts of speech. Okay, 8 parts of speech. Okay, that looks pretty good. And I would listen to it. Okay, I don't want the ad, so I'm going to wait till the ad is over and skip ad. All right, so there, I like that. So I say I'm going to copy that link. I go back to my room, and I say I want to have that. Oh, there it is. Click it. All right, there. And there it is. It's in my temporary room. So now I have, this is ready to go on fractions, and this is ready to go on parts of speech. So when I'm ready to use it, I just sign in. And when I sign in, you know, I go here, I pause, and I invite people to watch it with me. And that's it. Watchtogether.com.